Diabetics are being encouraged to take better care of their feet to prevent an ulcer. If they don't, this can result in them losing a limb. Shamela Pullen explains in the health report.
A diabetic foot ulcer is an open sore or wound that is most common under the big toe and the balls of one's feet. Endocrinologist Professor Errol Morrison, who specializes in this area, says 1 in every 1,500 diabetic patients in Jamaica will get a foot ulcer.
Poor circulation, right? Poor circulation, which leads to the death of the tissues. So they break down with the slightest of abrasion or injury. And because it is so poorly supplied with blood, it won't heal. And it stays there and festers and goes deeper and deeper into the tissues.
A diabetic foot ulcer can cause serious complications. Quite often, this results in the affected person losing a limb.
And I have often heard some of what you call the vascular surgeons say. They dissect and dissect and dissect, and they're way up into the leg before they're finding good tissue. And it's as a result of finding good tissue that will heal that they may have to decide where they have to remove. Not just mere ulcer tissue now, they may have to remove a portion of leg, whether the toe or the foot or the leg or so on.
So managing diabetes by controlling blood sugar levels is important. But Professor Morrison says prevention is better than treatment.
So many individuals wear inappropriately fitting shoes, which can squeeze the tissues, cause loss of sensation, cause bruising, and that will lead to ulcers. Those who are cutting the nails, right, they find that they're a little too aggressive and they dig away at the edges of the nails and may injure the skin around there, and that gets infected and you set off an infection.
Additionally, diabetics should examine their feet daily for any irritation, skin tears, calluses, blisters, or open wounds. With our health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.